Lay down flat. Good. Your next one. Oh, actually not a diamond. Sorry, fold you. Alright, so a square and then fold it into half. A square and then into half. So you'll have a rectangle. Alright. Your next one. Alright, you're gonna fold it into half again, forming a square. From the side. Yes, square. Alright. Now this one has layers, I think. So here we go. Now this time we're gonna turn it where it's like a diamond. Alright? Where you have two kind of sides on the corners. So you have the flappy one, the open corners, and then you have the closed corner. Alright, so the open corners should be facing the top. Alright, should be facing the top because we're gonna do the layers one by one. So you're gonna take the first layer, fold it down. Alright, so once again, the first layer, fold it down. Not all the way down, about 3/4. Alright. There you go. So as soon as you've done that, the next step will be the next layer and the next layer. Alright? So the second layer, make sure there is that gap between the first layer and the second layer. Going down, folding down. So there should be only 3 layers there. Because the last one, you're gonna leave it on the top. Alright, everybody got the 3 layers? Yes? Alright. Next one, you're gonna flip it over. Like a pizza. Or omelet. There you go. So you have the flat surface there. Then, next one. Oh, there you go. So from left and right, so you're gonna fold it into the center, just a little bit off center, furthermore. It's not all just to the center, just a little bit off center, as you can see, right there. So this is the center, so it's a little bit off center. Next one, ta-da! So the other side, fold it over it. Yes. All right. Oh, finishing touches. What's the finishing touches? Alright, you're gonna flip it over the other side. So this always has to be on a flat surface. It's just to make sure that the folding stays. Alright. Can anybody guess what this is? It's a silverware pouch. A leaf. I mean, good imagination, everybody. Alright, it's a silverware pouch. It's basically like that. Yes? So, there's a pocket there, and then that's where you put the silverwares. Yes!